We're going to be talking about national income. National income is the combined earnings from a nation's production of goods and service in 1 year, consisting of wages, salaries, rent, profit, and their interest. To elaborate, national income is dependent on the GDP, or gross domestic product, which measures the combined value of a final good and service produced. But GDP is a little bit more complicated than that. For instance, a foreigner's salary can be included for the U.S. GDP if they are working within the U.S. for a U.S. company. To calculate GDP, we add the private consumption plus gross investment plus government spending plus exports minus imports. What about the underground economy? An underground economy is simply what we like to call a black market. It includes all the transactions that are not measured by the government or that ignore government regulations and laws. A lot of things are included in the underground economy, such as criminal activity that involve being paid under the table, or any sales that are not reported on official documents. Even though economists argue to what degree an underground economy affects the nation, GDP, they can all agree that underground economy does indeed affect the accuracy of a country's GDP. According to Investopedia, the underground economy is estimated to account for as much as 10% of the total economy in a developed country. The Bureau of Economics Analysis is a part of the U.S. Department of Commerce, and their job is to measure the U.S. economy, such as the GDP. According to the BEA.gov, each month the Bureau pulls together data from public and private sectors to provide a comprehensive picture of economic activities. So what do they use it for? They use the GDP to prepare the federal budget, to help form monetary policies, and to help distribute federal funds for such things as Medicaid and CHIP.